Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're at one of our projects and we're going to show you what happens when you have a water damage and there is no more flooring available. It's discontinued. They ran out. You don't know what the brand is, whatever the case. We're going to show you what you can do to solve this problem today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well, here's a situation where someone changing the water filter on the refrigerator and it didn't go in properly, the water leaked, and the wood floor got damaged. So, simple enough repair, except for the wood was discontinued. When the wood's discontinued, we have to be creative. Well, my customer at least thought that she could still order the wood. Got it from Floor & Decor, gave them the SKU. They said it was discontinued, but they had some in stock. Unfortunately, when wood came in, it matched the color, but the width was slightly different, from 5 to 5 1/4, which when you're doing a weave where we're connecting boards into rows that are already existing, it's not going to work out. So, plan B, we found an area of the house that we could remove flooring from and then use it here. In our case, it was a walk-in closet. So we're going to steal from the walk-in closet, lay it here, replace the walk-in closet. So you should always, when you're ordering products, verify the dimensions, the width, because a lot of times down the road, if you're lucky enough to find the wood, they've often made changes. Besides the width, the locking system also slightly changed, so we couldn't use this wood even if it was the right size. But now that we have the right flooring, we'll be able to weave it in, connect these boards with the old, put the refrigerator back, and be on our way. But the customer is now going to be without flooring in their walk-in closet. So, sounds like we'll be back again. There we go, it's all put back together. We only had to destroy one walk-in closet to capture this wood. Sacrificed a closet to gain a kitchen. Probably a good trade. Kitchen's more important than a closet, so now they'll just pick out some, maybe some waterproof vinyl or some other wood that we can put into the closet. Problem solved. The kitchen's back together. All it cost was a walk-in closet. I think it was worth it. If you're new around here, please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.